guys. Well, welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. I can't thank you enough for hanging out with me last time. I say that every time, don't I? Like, thank you. But I'm really used to saying thank you all the time. It's just something I do. I am on a mission to get monetized. So honestly, I can't thank you enough for watching my videos. Every minute that you guys watch it gets me one step closer to my goal. It's Friday, all the kids are at school. I have the whole house to myself. It feels so bittersweet because, drumroll, I got an email today from the Thompson School District saying that all schools are going back to homeschool. So, come November 23rd, I am back to being a teacher of 5. For those of you who don't know, my sister passed away in 2013. Like, I see them as my own kids. I love them as my own kids, and they drive me nuts like my own kids. But on a real note, come the 23rd, I am going to be a teacher again, which means less time for me and more time for them. So you guys got to work with me here. I'm going to do the best I can to keep pushing out footage here. It's really hard. I ain't gonna lie. I work full-time jobs and I am just trying to do my best, you guys. So seriously, I'm sorry if there's like a week in between videos there for a bit. I was doing one every other day, you know, it was great. But with my health and with all my stress and everything, I'm really struggling. So I'm trying to get out here as much as I can, but come the 23rd, it might be less than that. But who knows? I mean, it's kind of an addiction, so I might be out here just as much, so whatever. Today, I am going to finally get the hatch door off, if all goes right for me, and I mean, the sun's going down right now. I just picked up all the kids from school. I only have a limited amount of time before I have to go to work, so I'm gonna try and get done as much as I can. That's pretty much how this goes. You guys rock. Thank you so much for joining me, and let's just get some stuff done. You saw me hammering at it. This pin seems to be a little bit more tricky than I expected. So you actually have to get in there and hammer that puppy out of there. The longest thing that I had was a flathead, which made it a little more tricky for me, but I still got it. So now it's time to just pull it out and then do the other one. Let's go. Something that I thought would be so simple never is. It's just how it goes. Alright, so you guys see this pin right here? Probably not. Woo! I got it! What do you know? This is a piece of shit. Just saying. That was in there pretty freaking good. It's all bent up and stuff. Probably my doing, but whatever. Literally, this thing. Over it. Now time for the next one. Day 2 of the one-day video, as always. I have to get that other pin out today. I took the other one out, like, okay, that's horrible. Here's the pin. I took this side out, so the whole hatch kind of lifted. So this pin is now kind of crooked in there. I need to get the weight back off of this side so that it'll come out straight. Just like that, you guys. You know how it goes. Let's get it done. Oh my gosh. But on a real note, that was a little sketchy. Don't try that at home, kiddos. If there are any kids watching this, I hope not. Do not follow my instructions, because I've said this before. I am winging it. I just like, oh, that's what I need to do, and I try it, and sometimes it works great. Sometimes I almost lose my head. So, words of wisdom from Kirstie. Make sure you have something to catch that hatch when you pull that last pin out, because it weighs like 100 pounds. That was flippin' heavy. I mean, it was heavy to me. It was probably like 30 pounds. Not even kidding you. I'm a little weak right now, but I got it off. Shabam! Woo! Now I'm gonna clean up that back part right there, check it out, see how those hinges are holding up, see if I need to replace any parts, and keep moving forward with this, guys. Yeah. So I accomplished some stuff today. I got the hatch door off in one piece. I went ahead and prepped and primed / rust barrier this weather strip area. So once I get that weather stripping, I can go ahead and throw it on in. Yeah, it was a pretty productive time, you know, and now I gotta go to work. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I might take the day off, but I also might not, who knows. But yeah, it's been a blast. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you around next time.